High-tensile wire fences are not new. They have been built to confine horses, cattle, and sheep on the vast ranches of Australia and New Zealand for more than 30 years. But high-tensile wire fences are different.
For over 40 years, Kencove and Kiwi Fence have brought New Zealand's leading fencing innovations to the United States, delivering the product, knowledge, and support farmers need. Now, Kiwi Demo Days brings those innovations to life. This is a unique opportunity to learn directly from New Zealand fence contractor Tony White as he demonstrates the key techniques and principles of building and maintaining a fence. These events celebrate the art of New Zealand fence building and highlight why its methods are respected worldwide. Join Tony along with Kencove's own experts for hands-on demonstrations, professional insights, and the latest in fencing techniques. Tools, supplies, and great food are all provided. Come experience the future of fencing with Kencove and Kiwi Fence at Kiwi Demo Days, October 11th in Blairsville, Pennsylvania, and October 18th in Eastman, Georgia.